Let's bring in Nancy Cordes now with more on how the White House is responding. The Fed's moves happening, Nancy, separate and apart from the White House, but they're certainly interested over there. What do we know?
Well, Tony, I think they're happy for the Fed to be the focus of inflation talk for a change. That's a spotlight that they live with here every day. And they know that some of the gyrations that we've seen on Wall Street recently had to do partly with the fact that Wall Street is worried that the Fed didn't act quickly enough or aggressively enough to stem rising prices. And you know that once those worries set in, it's hard to change minds. I mean, in poll after poll, Americans list the economy and inflation as their #1 concerns heading into November's elections. And that's why when President Biden is out on the road these days, he doesn't sugarcoat it. He doesn't say we're turning a corner, because there's a fear here that he would look like he's out of touch with the reality that many Americans are facing. So he blames Russia, he blames the oil companies, he blames COVID, and he says that he's got a plan to address all of this. But what White House advisors really won't say publicly is that they've just about exhausted everything that they can do from here to try to bring prices down. I mean, they've tapped the Strategic Petroleum Reserve. They have tried to make ethanol restrictions looser. They've convened the major retailers and manufacturers to try to smooth out supply chain issues. There just isn't that much more that the president himself can really do. And so that's the central dilemma heading into the midterm elections. How does the White House show that it is not just focused on this issue, but that it's making real progress when their toolkit, frankly, is limited? Michelle?
Nancy, thank you.